Hey everybody, welcome to my art and cooking channel. Two things I love amongst my other things like my family and books. Today I am drawing in my Strathmore watercolor art journal, I believe, and I'm going the peacock route. I love peacocks. I think they're so pretty. Of course, the males are, the prettiest, but um, I just love their shape. I love all their colors, the drama. It's just very pretty. So I'm drawing a peacock here with a micron pen type pen that won't bleed when I add media. And then I'm putting some flowers behind him and just kind of drawing those in afterwards. Just some sort of tropically, I don't know, vibrant and dramatic flowers to go with the peacock. And then I'm going in with a watercolor. And I recently was digging through my studio and found my first set of colored pencils I ever had. It was my first art supply growing up, and I love them. I still have them. They were the what are they called? They don't make them anymore, sadly. They are the premier. What are they called? They are made by Faber-Castell, and they are the Design Spectracolor. And if you had these when they were out, leave a comment below. I had the big set in the black stand. You could open it up, and it had all the beautiful colors with the colored tips on the ends, and then it had the black barrel and then the black coating, and then the color. I just loved them. I drew thousands of fashions. I just actually entered them into 4-H and won first place and got a trophy for it. So all the work paid off, right? But I still have those colored pencils, and I just recently got them out, and I'll maybe make a video of those, and you can have some. We can lament of the fact that they don't have those. Maybe if there's a similar product that you know of that is sort of the modern equivalent of that, let me know in the comments below. Because I loved them. I loved the way they colored. I love them. So, what can I say? So I was using, all that to say, I was using colored pencil on top of my watercolor here, and I was using my colorless blender, and it works really, really well. I don't know if you, I know Faber-Castell makes one, Prismacolor makes one, and I don't know why I didn't use it more. This actually, the Prismacolor Premier was PC1077 was the one that I was using mostly, and it spreads the colored pencil really, really well. So if you're like an adult coloring book fanatic, you might want to consider that for blending out your color pencils. But I'm going in with my trusty Jane Davenport gold shimmer. Got to have some shimmer. And then I just kept adding shimmer. So I was grabbing my markers, my glitter markers, and just in the different colors adding shimmer because it's a peacock. You got to have some shimmer, right? And I love sparkly stuff. Another thing you could use is like Winsor & Newton iridescent medium would be beautiful. Here I've got Tonic Studios. It comes with like copper gold and then the sort of clear, they look like water brushes. I don't know what they call them, but anyways, hope you enjoyed the peacock. I always love painting a peacock, and I really love how it turned out. I'm going to be making some digital papers and fabric from him. But anyway, thanks guys. Check out those links below. Thank you for joining me. It is always an encouragement and blessing when people do, and I hope you have a great, great day.